3 Chinese young technicians won 2 gold and 1 silver medals in all 3 contests on Wednesday in the WorldSkills Competition 2022 Special Edition held in Japan's Kyoto.
中国代表团的3个项目选手表现得非常优秀，他们这个认真准备认真比赛，经过了大赛的锻炼，他们也代表了中国的这个青年技工的水平，体现了他们的能力。一般的表现我们是满意的。
我希望未来有更多的青年投身于技能成才、技能报国的道路，让我们中国制造成为世界的骄傲。
China has won 10 gold medals, 2 silvers, 1 bronze, and 4 winning prizes so far in the 17 events that have been completed in the WorldSkills Competition 2022 Special Edition.